There are many money-making online jobs that can be done from anywhere in the world, depending on your skills, interests, and experience. Here are some of the most lucrative options. 1. Freelance writing. If you have strong writing skills, you can work as a freelance writer. You can write articles, blog posts, copywriting, technical content, or even become an author of ebooks. 2. Web development and design. Web developers and designers are in high demand. You can create websites, web applications, or provide design services remotely. 3. Graphic design. Graphic designers create visual content for websites, social media, marketing materials, and more. This job can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing professionals help businesses promote their products or services online through SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. 5. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services. Platforms like VIPKid, Coursera, and Udemy provide opportunities in this field. 6. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, data entry, and more. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers promote products or services on their websites or through social media, earning a commission on sales generated through their referral links. 8. E-commerce. You can start your own e-commerce business, selling products through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or your website. Drop shipping and print on demand are popular models. 9. Stock trading and investing. If you have a good understanding of financial markets, you can trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, or invest in various assets online. 10. Content creation. YouTube, podcasting, blogging. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or blogging can be profitable through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 11. App development. If you're a skilled programmer, you can develop mobile apps or software and sell them or earn revenue through in-app purchases or advertisements. 12. Online consulting or coaching. Share your expertise by offering consulting or coaching services in areas like business, career development, health, or personal development. 13. Remote software development. Software developers can find remote positions with tech companies or work as freelancers on projects. 14. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can provide a source of income, although it may not be as lucrative as some other options. 15. Cryptocurrency and blockchain jobs. With the growth of blockchain technology, there are opportunities in areas like cryptocurrency trading, blockchain development, and blockchain consulting. Remember that the income potential in these fields can vary widely depending on your skills, experience, and the demand for your services. It's essential to research your chosen field, build your skills, and market yourself effectively to maximize your earning potential.